Hi, Noisy here. You've been asking to see more of the Foley stuff that I do, so I've got some more for you. I've taken another public domain film, chopped it up, got a little scene for you. It's from a film from 1951 called Vengeance Valley, starring Burt Lancaster. It's a crash bang boom western film, so punching, fighting, all that kind of stuff. The director of the film, Richard Thorpe, he went on to direct The Wizard. Well, actually, he didn't direct The Wizard of Oz. He started to direct The Wizard of Oz, and then he got canned after 2 weeks. Wasn't getting it right. But he did go on to direct such great films as Jailhouse Rock, starring my personal friend Elvis Presley. There's some music in this one as well, written by my good friend Jeff D. Elliott. He also recorded the Foley for this. I'm also going to put a link in here for you to check out another version of this, where bigger me, smaller movie. Check it out, 1951, Vengeance Valley.
Mana se muovu kirjoilla ja muovan hienoa. Ja sitten on muovu. Ja. Ja se on käymä. Nuo sä täällä. Maaksi ja pois. My name is Conor.